we come back to React, and in our game, what we have to do is, in the first place, when we get data from Redux, what we have to do is to transform to props, the state to props. Remember, now we have 4 parts, let's see it again, of our state. So what we are going to do is to transform the 4th part, that is player name, and we are going to get it from player name. Now we have a new prop that is called player name. Don't confuse it, or give it, if you want, another name with the React internal state, that is player name. It is different. One is React internal state just to control the component, and the other one is the one that comes from Redux. I gave it the same name, but you can change it, of course. You just have to change it if you want, and you can write it here, input value or something, okay? What do we have to do now? Well, we have to import this action that we created. It is called new player. So in the game, we import a new action that is called new player, and we will be able now to dispatch it. When the player clicks on submit. Here, this dot props does dispatch, as always, new player. What is the new player content? It has to receive the player name. So this new player will have as a player name what the user wrote on the field that is in the state. Okay, so when the user clicks on submit, we dispatch the action. It goes to Redux. It changes things, and it will come as a prop, and we map here. And if something comes from Redux and there is a player name, we have to render the game. So we have to go to this option instead of the form. If the user submits, we have to go to the game. How? Now we will have a prop that is called player name, and it won't be empty. Okay, so I think it's everything complete. Let's see if it is working. We have our home here, and if we go here, I write my player name, and when we submit, let me close, we have the board working. Okay, well, everything is working, but we don't see the player name, so as a final adjustment, we are going to pass the player name to the game, to the header game, just for it to render it. We can create in the game component a new variable called welcome text that says welcome plus the value, this props player name. So it says welcome Enrique or whatever. And how we pass new data to the header for it to render it? Well, as a new prop, as always. We call it the way we want. In this case, well, the same name is okay, welcome text. Now in the header, I receive a new prop that is called welcome text. We can restructure this a little bit, and we can add here a new h3, for example, and another h3, for example, to show this welcome text. And if we save and we go to our game, we can write the game, and it says welcome Enrique, turn of player 1. Perfect. And if we go to continue, well, it's the same name, it says welcome Enrique, turn of player 0 with the new board. Okay, now it's complete. Thank you.